What's up, y'all? It's Chris, and we're back in with a very short video this time. If you saw my previous video, you'll know that I changed my front carbon fiber lip, and I'm pretty annoyed with it getting scraped and whether it's real and all that stuff. So there's actually a pretty cost-effective way to sort of prevent your front lips from getting scraped, and that is called bumper scraper guard. I'll try to put a photo here maybe. And I got it off Amazon. I think it was probably like 30 bucks, not too expensive. This video is not sponsored by Amazon in any way, but if they would like to sponsor this video, I wouldn't complain. But yeah, it's pretty simple to install. I'll try to, put some clips together, me actually installing it, and then what it's like when you actually scrape this bumper scraper guard. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the next part of the video. So as you can see, the parts that get scraped the most are usually the left and right edges, not so much the center, but the left corner, the right corner, and these two kind of like center sections. They give you these strips. They're like rubber strips that goes on the bottom of the lip, has 3M tape, and you get quite a bit. You get 4 of them, and you just lay it across the front lip so that when you're scraping the floor, instead of scraping the floor, you'll be scraping on this. Within the box, it also comes with I guess this is just to make it stick easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a microfiber cloth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just quickly wipe down the bottom of it. I don't think it's dirty under there because I literally just showed it was fine. So yeah, not too dirty. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that down. Then I'm gonna take one of these adhesion promoter thing. Use the other one. It doesn't really flex very much. I'm gonna do it on the most important area. Edges here. Oh wow, it sticks immediately. Oh shoot. Yo, I can't get this off. Oh wow. This is stuck. Yo, this is stuck on. I guess that's good. I don't want it to scrape off, but sheesh. Alright, let's do the middle. Be sure to flex and bend them a little bit so that it lines up with the actual shape of your front bumper or your lip or whatever it is. I made the mistake of kind of leaving it a little too straight and therefore it stuck out a little bit. But if you bend it a little bit and stick it on as it's bent, then it would fit flush with your front lip. Demonstration of going at an incline or decline at a straight angle and scraping the bumper scraper guard as opposed to the actual front lip. As you can see, it'll still make the sound, but it's not quite as bad knowing that you're not scraping something important. So yeah, that is my cost-effective and simple approach to preventing carbon fiber lips and front bumpers from getting damaged and scraped and all that stuff. I think that probably took like 3 minutes and 30 bucks like I mentioned earlier in this video. So yeah, if you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.